PhiCleaner's latest milestone, unmanned operation. E22 autonomous charging and autonomous cleaning integrated solution comes out. The APP can start the robot with one button. Charge and clean autonomously. As one of the companies that best understands solar cleaning, we understand the importance of good solar cleaning for PV power plants. Good cleaning can not only keep the safety of PV power plants, but also maximize the income of power generation. We work on the sustainability of solar cleaning. PhiCleaner's customers are not just professional cleaning or solar O&M companies. There must be a robot that is easier to operate to satisfy PV power plant owners. E22 autonomous charging and cleaning solution is specially designed for power plant owners. It continues the scientific visual positioning technology. On this basis, we have further upgraded the fixed map function to meet the needs of full coverage cleaning of irregular shaped PV power plants. Users can customize their own cleaning paths through the upgraded fixed map function of APP. At the same time, we also configured an exclusive wireless charging shutdown room for E22L. It has a mechanical auxiliary storage device, wireless charging, ventilation and cooling system, and a protection structure against level 12 typhoons. Help you easily complete the fully intelligent cleaning transformation of your PV power plants. Ensure robot safety, realize autonomous charging of robot, and autonomous full coverage cleaning. Your PV power plants can be deeply cleaned through natural rainwater on rainy days. Snow can also be removed on snowy days to reduce the load-bearing pressure on roofs and PV panels. Let your PV power plant generate electricity, normally even in winter. E22 auto charging solution is suitable for BIPV rooftop and distributed PV rooftop. It is also the best choice for unmanned autonomous cleaning of tracker PV power plants. In the next video, we will show you how E22L helps PV power plants remove snow and generate electricity. Thanks for your watching.